Making pizza at home is one of the most interactive ways to enjoy dinner with family and friends. Whether you're throwing a pizza party or slinging a weeknight specialty pie, homemade pizza just tastes better when it's made with the right equipment. Pizza ovens are an efficient way to achieve restaurant-quality pizza at home, and they're the perfect accessory for any well-stocked outdoor kitchen. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best pizza ovens in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Ooni Koda 16 Gas Pizza Oven. If you're looking for a pizza oven that produces consistent, reliable results with minimal assembly, this is the option for you. The Ooni Koda 16 is one of the easiest to use and to put together of all the models we tried. Simply take it out of the box and open the legs. It features a large opening that makes it easy to turn pizzas, which gives the user more control over the finished product. We found that heat was relatively consistent from the back of the oven to the front, and it took about 25 minutes to heat up to the recommended temperature. Though it's a heavy-duty gadget, it's still lightweight enough for one person to move it on their own. Number 2. Ooni Koda 12 Gas Pizza Oven. This is a professional quality pizza oven that comes at a much more affordable price than some of its counterparts. One of the lighter pizza ovens we tested, the Ooni Koda 12 is incredibly easy to assemble and maneuver. Our testers found that it holds heat well and produces pizzas with a golden, crispy crust and melty cheese. Pizzas cooked quickly, and we love that the foldable legs have non-slip feet for added security. Though we found it to be convenient overall, this model does take some getting used to. Our testers noticed that the smaller opening can make properly turning the pizza challenging because there isn't enough space to rotate it. Number 3. Number 3. Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. If you prefer cooking your pizza indoors but don't want to heat up your oven and your kitchen, the Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Pizza Oven does the job, and it's fun to watch. The major selling points of this model are its budget-friendly price and portability. The pizza tray rotates continuously to bake the pizza evenly without burning. It heats from both the top and bottom, and the heating elements can be controlled separately. So if the crust is brown before the cheese is gooey, you can turn up the top heat and turn down the bottom heat. Number 4. Solo Stove Pie Pizza Oven. Outdoor enthusiasts might be familiar with the Solo brand for its camping stoves, a set of ingenious devices that generate tons of heat using minimal amounts of fuel, or for its warm and comforting fire pits. Solo recently jumped into the trendy world of home pizza ovens with the Pi, and we're happy to report that this machine makes great pizza. The Pi is simple to set up. Place it on a stable surface, insert the snugly fitting 2-piece pizza stone, and start the fire. The firebox is fairly small, needing frequent additions of small pieces of wood, but our tester found that it quickly heated the oven and made for a nice smoky char on the crust. Number 5. Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo Pizza. With an indoor pizza oven, you don't need to worry about the weather, fire, or lighting conditions, so it's often easier and more convenient than an outdoor option. This Breville model can reach 750 F, the temperature required for authentic pizza. It is well insulated, so the exterior stays pretty cool to the touch despite the super high heat, although there will be some smoking. Like other smart Breville appliances, this has easy-to-use settings, so it's simple to choose frozen thin crust pizza, deep dish, or a wood-fired style pizza. It's also possible to customize the settings to get the perfect results for any pizza style and personal preference. That was our list of the top 5 best pizza ovens just for you.